Children, today we are going to learn about the directing influence of substituent when it comes on benzene ring. Okay, so there are two different types of directing influence. One is orthopara directing influence, another is meta directing influence. Okay, and we see that almost all orthopara directing groups are activating substituents also, as well as we see that meta directing groups, they also behave as deactivating group. Okay, now why it is behaving so, that is what I am going to explain here in this video. Okay, so I have taken here an example of phenol. Now on the benzene ring we can see OH group coming. Now look at the OH group, it is having lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron and the pi electron of the benzene ring, they are in interaction. So during this interaction, the lone pair of electrons starts forming a double bond here. At the same time, the pi bond which was here starts breaking and comes as a lone pair on this carbon. Okay, so I have shown you with a red colored representation for the lone pair of electron which is formed by breaking of the pi electron in the benzene ring. Now the next is, now again lone pair and this pi electron is in interaction. It will be forming this lone pair of electrons starts forming a pi bond here. I have shown with a red ink the double bond form when it forms a bond here, and the already present double bond pi bond which was here breaks and comes as a lone pair. Okay, so this is how lone pair coming from the previous bond. Okay, now next again the lone pair and this pi electron is in interaction. It will start forming a bond here. At the same time this pi electron shifts as a lone pair on this carbon. Okay, so now look at the three resonating structures. You can see all these three resonating structures at the position which is here, and this one which is called ortho positions, and the para position you can see electron density high. Okay, there is lone pair of electron on it, so it is having electron density high. Okay, so we can say that if this compound is subjected to next reaction, then the incoming group will be entering either ortho position or at the para position. Therefore, we call OH group as ortho-para directing group. Now, why it is called activating group? The reason is, since at ortho position and the para position there is high electron density compared to the original benzene, rate of second substitution is very high. Okay, it is very fast. So it is called activating substituent. So OH group comes as activating substituent. Now for these three resonating structure, we can draw a common structure called resonance hybrid. So you can see here the red dotted line circle I have shown here where the electrons are revolving within the benzene ring. Okay, and thus it can undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, benzene ring is having high density of electron in it. Okay, so it is acting as activating substituent. Now let us see which are the groups undergoing ortho-para directing as well as activating substituent. This is NH2, okay, amino group, then NR2, OH, OR, R, X. Okay, X is ortho-para directing, but instead of activating it is deactivating. Okay, that is one exception. Okay, it is ortho-para, it comes under deactivating substituent. Okay, now let us see the meta directing effect and the deactivating effect. Okay, so meta directing effect, you can see I have taken here an example of benzoic acid, benzene with carboxyl group. So I have taken here benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid, when COOH group comes, we can see there in the group there is multiple bonds. So there is electronegativity difference between these two atoms. The pi electron is more pulled towards the oxygen which is more electronegative. Okay, thus oxygen develops a negative charge, carbon develops a positive charge. Okay, Due to the positive charge developed here on the carbon, the pi electron from here shifts to this place, okay, to the carbon, okay, and so the pi electron got shifted here and formed a partial double bond. Now this carbon has deficiency in the pair of electrons, so it is developing a positive charge, okay. Now in order to nullify this positive charge, the pi electron from here will start forming a bond here. This pi electron in the bond breaks and starts forming a bond here, okay. So I have shown the new bond formed with a red line. So from here the pi electron shift to this place and form a bond. So when this shifts to this place, here the carbon is having positive charge because it is now deficient of the pair of electron. So it is developing positive charge. Now in order to nullify this positive charge, this pi electron will shift from here to this place, okay. So you can see here a red line again formed showing a new bond formed by the shifting of pi electron from here to this place, okay. So this positive charge get cancelled, but at the same time this carbon is losing that pi electron, so it is developing a positive charge. So these are the three resonance hybrid and these are the three resonance structures, and the resonating hybrid, resonance hybrid is this one, where you can see there is positive charge revolving in the ring and there is a negative charge on the oxygen in the group, okay, functional group, okay. Now look at the structures carefully. You can see the ortho positions as well as para positions are the positions in the compound where there is deficiency of electron. So naturally at ortho and para position the incoming group will not get attached, okay, because it is deficient of electron. So where is the next chance of getting attached? Only the place which is meta position is the position which is much more ready to attach the incoming group. So that's why whenever such a group is there, we call it as meta directing group, okay. And why it is called deactivating? The reason is when you compare with benzene, you can see that the electron density in the benzene ring is comparatively less. You can see a positive charge revolving. So compared to benzene, the electron density in the benzene ring is compared to benzene, it is very less. So the rate of second substitution is comparatively lesser than benzene. So it is called deactivating substituent or deactivating group. Okay, example for that is NO2, C and cyano group, CHO aldehyde group, COR, COOH, COR, SO3H. Okay, this is how the decreasing order of meta directing effect is in the different functional groups. So highest is for nitro. Okay, so that's how we can give the explanation. So based on the resonating structure, we have to give the explanation. Now application on this effect, directive effect. Let us see one or two questions. Now I have taken here, this is called anisole or methoxybenzene. Okay, this methoxybenzene is treated with chlorine and anhydrous ferric chloride. We know that this reagent has a purpose of substituting chlorine in the benzene ring. We have already learnt in the benzene chapter, when chlorine is added in presence of anhydrous ferric chloride, chloro group, okay, will be substituted in the benzene ring. Okay, now since already there is a group, this group will decide where is the position of the incoming chlorine. Okay, so incoming chlorine will be directed to either ortho position or to the para position by OCH3, because it is coming under OCH3's OR group. Okay, it is coming under ortho para directing group. So we can see that the compound OCH3 will direct the incoming group, that is chlorine, either to the ortho position or it can direct the incoming group to the para position. Okay, So we can see chlorine can come on the para position. So since two such compounds are required, two chlorine is required, let us balance it, and from these places hydrogen is replaced. Okay, so hydrogen and chlorine combines to form hydrogen chloride. So this is the balanced equation to represent the reaction. Okay, so we can see it is forming orthochloroanisole or parachloroanisole. Okay, or we can say 2-chloromethoxybenzene, 4-chloromethoxybenzene. Okay, so that is the, and this is the major product. Okay, always para substituted compounds are the major product. Okay, now next is chlorobenzene reacting with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated H2SO4. We have learned that this reagent is a nitrating mixture. It will be substituting NO2 plus in the benzene ring. So now let us see what will be the products form. Since it is chlorobenzene, chlorine comes under ortho-para directing. So the incoming nitro group will be entering ortho position, or it will be entering para position. Okay, so it will be entering para position, and the product by product water is formed. So here also we need 2 each and to balance it. Okay, so it is forming orthonitrochlorobenzene, para-nitrochlorobenzene, or you can name it as 2-chloronitrobenzene or 4-chloronitrobenzene. Anyway you can name it. Okay, so here also we can see the group is showing ortho-para directing effect. Now look at the meta directing. Let us see. Now a compound nitrobenzene is taken and it is going to be substituted, reacted with chlorine and anhydrous ferric chloride. Now chlorine, when it is added, it will be substituted on the meta position. Why? Because NO2 is meta directing group. So these groups are all meta directing. So since NO2 is meta directing, the product formed is meta-chloro. This is the meta position, meta-chloro-nitrobenzene. Now look at another one, benzaldehyde, CHO. It is meta directing. So it will be directing the incoming group NO2 plus to the meta position. So you will be getting a product like this. On the benzene ring, CHO will be directing the NO2 group to the meta position. Okay, so you are getting meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Okay, meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. So children, just remember, look at the functional group on the benzene, and whatever it is directing influence, this such according to that the products will be formed. Okay, thank you.